Hey there everyone, today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. So if you recall, earlier I had a subscriber send in some of these alarms, and since that's happened, he has reached out to me and said that he has another package of alarms that he'd like to send on over to donate to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this new package and seeing what's inside. Once again, I have gone ahead and just opened up the package, but I have not actually unboxed it, so this will be the unboxing. Alright, go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, we have some brown paper. Awesome, thank you. I'm just kidding, I think this is just packing wrap. Let's go ahead and see what else we have inside. Ooh, you see that? It looks like some System Sensor P2WL-SP L series fire alarms. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here's the first one here. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. And you ready for the big moment? This is the back of the alarm. I'm gonna make sure the camera's focused here. And here is the front of the alarm. Ooh! So as you can see, it says Fuego on the side, which is the Spanish lettering for fire. So this is a fire alarm that has Spanish lettering. Let's go ahead and unbox the other one. And as we can see, it's the same thing. And that is everything that was inside the box. I've gone ahead and brushed up on my Spanish a little bit, and fire in Spanish is pronounced fuego. So if you're ever around Spanish people and there's a fire in the building, feel free to yell fuego, or activate one of these Spanish fire alarms that say fuego on it. But there you are. There are the two devices that was in this package. Once again, huge thank you to that awesome subscriber that decided to donate these to my channel. I now do have some Spanish fire alarms. As you can see, I got this pull station here that subscriber sent in earlier, so I'm thinking we're definitely going to have to do a system test with these devices coming up soon. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.